Class number 7, right?
Yes, sir.
So till now we discussed like how to register a XML publisher report. Then after that, layout errors. Then what else? Like defaulting template. What else? Yeah, that is defaulting template. What else? Only three? Okay. So how to submit from PLSQL? There are two APIs, FND request, submit request, FND request, shard layout, correct? So these are all the 4 points. All four are important. That's why I covered initially only. Okay. So now we'll see some other points. I'm taking another query to explain these points. Okay. So just OE order, headers all, OE order, lines all only. These are all you are aware already. It's a multiplication. Unit selling price. We can sum it up. Summary. This is the total price here. Group by is required. And we are looking for a specific arg ID. That is 204. If you want to add a customer name and all, then slowly we can add it. Okay. So now what we will do. So you take this query. You can develop a report by using report builder also. Okay. So this is the another one we can use. Report builder. This is the second method. As of now, we have seen data template. Now click on this report builder. Then data model. You can click on SQL here. That's it. Then after that, VIS. So if you want to divide into multiple groups, you can add customer also for this. Customer, you know already table name, correct? That is HZ parties, correct? There is no relation between HZ parties and OER address all, correct? Intermediary, another table I told you. What is the table name? Correct. First accounts. Now, joins, you can easily tell me, we can cover, right? Because we know already HP dot, right? Primary key of this particular table. That's an party ID. Then HCA dot party ID. After that, HCA dot first account ID. Right. Sold? Right, correct. That's the correct answer. Sold to. Okay. So this query you are very good, right? Okay. Now, if you want to add up some other columns like party name, you can add here. So the moment you add it, see, it is saying here not a group by expression. Group by you must learn properly. This is the way. If you want to add another account number, you can add, but right now it's okay. You can keep adding columns. Account number. This is also same story. If you add a number of, because there is a function here, summary function is there, right? That's a group function. If you use a group function, what you need to do? You have to include all the columns here so that everyone knows. So this is the query I have developed. Okay, quickly. Now, same query you can modify. I have formatted here. Formatting shortcut, I know need to tell again. Just replace the query. Now, if you look at here, there are multiple columns, correct? You can divide it here. So dividing is very easy. Just drag and drop here like this. Now there are two groups in it. Okay. One is party name, customer number, other one is sales order details. Okay. Now what you can do, you can generate the XML tags by using here. Generate XML. This is a one way, but another way is also there. Like you can save as this file, save as here RDF, report definition file it is RDF. Then you can go to your folder, whatever. Here is a place you can give a module name here. Client name first. I'm using client and order management. Then after that, customer or else order details. Okay. So sales I'm giving here. Sale value. Okay. This total is a sale value only. Sale. That is the first step here. So right now what we are doing is the fifth point here. Fifth point here is how to develop report, XML report by using RDF builder. This is the second method it is. This is the fifth point. Point wise, you have to practice. The report builder, what I did is I just prepared query. Then after that, I have used a report builder and I have saved here. Okay, save as report builder value. The concurrent program registration, everyone knows because you already practiced. So I'm just making a note all the steps here. So first is what it is. Create RDF. RDF stands for here is report definition file. Some people are calling as a D2K reports. D2K means developer 2000, but right now that's okay. RDF is enough. So second step is move RDF to server. Server is right now your file is located in my laptop. I'm a developer, but it must be available in the server. To connect to the server, we have so many file transfer protocols. Not opening. One second. Okay. First step here is here, we have to create RDF. Then second step is move to server. For connecting server, we can use some other softwares, like there is a putty also available here. There is a putty, but Unix, you must know Unix if you want to use it. If it is GUI based, we can use WinSCP here. And log in. You have to wait for a few seconds to connect to server. G is also there in the industry, but no much difference. Like development wise, no much difference. This is RDF file. Once you open a file, you have to connect to the database. Shortcut is Control J. So database connection is important here. Now it is connect to the server. After connecting to the server, you have to go up here, parent directory. Here there are two servers here, application server and database server. This is a application server. AAS means application server. And reports, Oracle. There are three file systems here, FS1. FS means file system. You can use FS1. In some other project, FS2 also you can keep based on the project it is, but mostly FS1 only. FS1 application. Based on the module here. Right now, ONT module we are using. ONT means order management module, short name. And then reports. US. If you keep your file in your own path, it will not work. You have to keep in this particular reports US only. So if you are working for Japanese report, Japanese language report, like US, there will be another folder they will create. Creating folder is not your duty. DBS will do that. Okay. This is the path. Path, you don't need to, yes, just for reference I'm using. This is the path. Okay. Now, third one is to register a report. We have executable concurrent program. You are aware all this attached to the request group. Then all steps are similar. Okay. In data template based, we have used here XDODT, but right now we are not using. We are using our own file. Take report name only. Now go to responsibility. After that, you can go to sysadmin, system administrator. This navigations you are aware, right? Last time we have used stored procedure, all this, but right now it is Oracle reports only. File name, order management, save. Okay. Go to define here, order management. As it is an XML publisher, definitely you should not forget this. A4 we can use or any other. Then it doesn't have parameters. And there is no dependency with the another program. I'm not using incompatibility. So take this program. These two steps completed. Next is request group. Request group navigation, you know, right? Navigation, security, request. What is the group name? Every time we'll use this only. Okay. One time you have to identify. So if you look at here, small unit cap you have to give yes. Percentage. So registration will take, it will not take more than 1 minute, right, for you? Correct. Based on the practice. Shortcut key to submit Alt V R N O. Okay, that is to submit program. Fine. I think we missed to move. See, if you miss to move a file, it is saying here cannot read the file. Okay, file is not available. So we went there, but we have not moved a file. Okay. Anyway, we'll move the file. This is the file. So this file we have to move. Yes. So while moving, usually binary we'll select if there is a language dependency or any other characters. Right now, default it is taking. No worries. Submit now. Okay. Now it's submitted. You will see only XML tags. So file must be here, must have a done symbol here, done. If it is done with a warning, that means there is an error. If you click on minimize here, it has to minimize. That means file is good. Save as XML. Um, These are all just for identification. Okay. Save. And you know how to create RTF, correct? Seventh step is what it is. Save XML file. Ninth, eighth step is create RTF. There is a confusion right here. This is RDF report definition file, and this is a rich text format it is. Okay. RTF creating is easy only. Like this you can create. After that, PDF. Better give RDF, whatever the file name is there. Maintain same thing for everything. Like this. Dot RTF. Two steps are pending, correct? One is data definition. One more is template. So these two from a responsibility, that is XML publisher administrator. Okay. This will create in local machine. Ninth and steps, ninth and 10th are from XML publisher administrator. Okay. It is the output. You can see 400 pages approximately. Now go to your responsibility here. XML. We are not searching and modifying, we are creating. These are all not required because our method is data. It's not a data template, it's RDA based. File name. Okay, apply. Both completed. Last step is submit. 11 save. Okay. Move on. Correct. Make sure the name which you are giving. Sixth point discuss. We already submitted, correct? We'll just verify. This is the program, it's already completed. You can keep control button and view output. Okay. So this is how you can see the output. Whatever we are previewing in the local machine, this is as a programmer, we are testing it whether it's working properly or not. And whatever the output is submitting here from the server, anyone can submit, whoever having access of order management responsibility. Usually end users will do or managers will do all this. Your duty is very easy. Just simply these steps are your duty. Okay. Query preparation and registration report. One time if you register it, then they will use a number of times. Are you okay with this? Online? Online people?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me briefly steps without seeing notes? Bhavana or Vidhu? Whoever said yes.
RDF report file,
Okay.
then move to server,
Okay.
executable,
Very good.
then concurrent program,
Yes.
attach to request group,
Okay.
submit from responsibility,
Okay.
then save XML file.
Okay. Very good. Okay. That's all. Thank you.
Uh,
How about you, Tabassum? Can you tell me the steps? What we performed till now? Okay, guys, we'll speak or we'll discuss about another point, that is sub template here. Sub template. It's another concept. That's why I'm mentioning here, sixth point. Okay. Sub template means very easy. Like we can say calling a template from other template. This is called as a sub template. So for sub template, what we can do, we'll go to application first. or first declare a subtemplate. This is the first step. Okay. First step is here, declare subtemplate. But declaring a template or subtemplate, there is a template keyword we'll use, template. Okay. So first what we can do, we'll take one blank document, new blank document here. Then after that, for declaring keyword here is template. This is a keyword. And identifier of a template. So identifier, let's say tell ONT sub I'm using. This is a name, our own name we can give. So inside of it, you can design your own layout. Right now I'm using my own layout only. All fields. So I just, and if for identification, if you want, you can just write like this. This is sub template. Just for it, you should not write usually. For you, just to show you only. Or we can remove all this whatever. Save. Whenever you are taking it, definitely as I told you, we have to take here RTF rich text format. You should not forget that. Just for identification, I'm using sub at the end. Okay, this name is different. This is the name of this area. This is the name of the file. Both are different. Okay, this is just only this area, and this name is the entire file name. It is. Don't get confused. Save. Once you keep the syntax, if you preview also, it will not give you any output. See this. It will not give you. That is because of template. It will work in the server only. Okay. First step is declaring subtemplate. How to declare a subtemplate is, I already told you. That is, this is the keyword. Template keyword, we can say. Now, second point. Second point is here, upload or register subtemplate simply. Okay, registration. So for registering, what we can do as usually, only one step will change based on the same data definition. Go to XML publisher administrator. Here we can use data definition already there. So we no need to register. Template only is required. Only one step it is. Template. Go. Okay. So here is the place. Create template. It's already there one. Okay. You can duplicate also. You can make a duplicate. But after that, you can change the value. It's up to you. Create template. Say I'm using your data definition. Definitely you have to change the name here like this. Okay. Name change is required because you are creating another template. This is the one you need to take it. You should not forget this option for subtemplate. It is yes. Subtemplate is yes here. File, and this is the subtemplate name. Okay, language, English. Territory, if you want, you can give United States. Anyway, give it better. Apply. That's about the second point. Third point is modify main template. Include or import subtemplate syntax. So modify main template means like this is your main template, correct? In this, you have to use the import command here. There is a syntax. Import your XML publisher short name. Do you know? Right. Import :xdo. Okay. So then / subtemplate code. Okay. Subtemplate code is what it is. Our application short name. Your application is what it is. Order management, but short name is ONT. Then language English, EN, territory, US. Okay. Let me template :